We all have dreams, but what do we dream about? An extra vacation? A new car? Education for our kids? Or something totally different, like a place to belong? We offer you a risk-free business with flexible hours where you are your own boss and have an attractive additional income with professional stability. This business is called Jesper Nielson. Now, there may well be questions in your mind, like, what is Jesper Nielson? Who founded it? How does it work? And how will it make me successful? Let me answer all your questions. Jesper Nielson is a well-established, well-structured jewelry company founded by Jesper Nielson and his family in 2003. Nielson family is one of the biggest names among the international jewelry brand builders. They have made billions of sales in more than 40 countries and among 5 continents. At Jesper Nielson, people are rewarded for selling product as well as sharing the business model with others. The best part is the jewelry is genuine 9.25 sterling silver products, and they reach the end consumer directly from the manufacturer. This allows you a larger profit margin and at the same time benefits the customer who has the latest jewelry trends available at amazing prices. So if you want a family-friendly and flexible business opportunity, attractive additional income, a strong, caring network, Jesper Nielson is the answer. You will, as an ambassador, showcase and sell exclusive collections in the relaxed environment of your own home to friends, relatives, or colleagues online or in person. You might still be thinking about how you can get a rewards bonus from us. For the ambassador, there are several levels in our strong and simple compensations plan. The larger your team gets and the more sales you make, the higher you will rise and thus increase your bonus and rewards. But that's not all. Every new adventure can be a challenge. But we are here to help you, along with your sponsor. You will develop strong skills to be successful with Jesper Nielson in the many Jesper Nielson support groups your sponsor will introduce you to. You can organize parties, send invitations, and track your sales on parties and downlines. For a limited time, and I don't know how long this will last, you can become an ambassador for Jesper Nielson with 0 fees to join. This means you will get a risk-free opportunity to own your very own online jewelry store. Want to get inspired? Contact your Jesper Nielson ambassador today.